Brad Hall here, and today I've got a shoe that I've been looking forward to for what feels like years, the Adidas Ultra 4D. Just ahead, I'm gonna talk about this shoe, and then I'm gonna share what you need to know. That's coming up. The Ultra Boost 1.0. That came out back in 2015. The 4D midsole, that's been out for a while now. It seems like Adidas has flirted with the idea of combining these two elements for years, and they finally did. I'm really glad they did because it is a very cool looking shoe. The Ultra Boost 1.0, it remains one of my favorite shoes even today. And that 1.0 upper, it still has yet to be topped in that Ultra Boost line. There's something about this knit pattern. And of course, on this particular colorway, you've got that original Ultra Boost color scheme, the mostly black upper, and then on this heel cup, a little pop of color, kind of a royal purple. And I'm also a big fan of the 4D technology, the 3D printed midsole. I've always thought it had this cool, futuristic look. Adidas has been using this midsole a lot more lately, but they finally put it where it just feels like it really belongs. Comfort-wise, I would take Boost over this. The 4D midsole is definitely heavier, but it's no slouch in terms of comfort. And like I said, it does look very cool, and that is up there in terms of importance. Like I said, I've been a big fan of the Ultra Boost 1.0. I'm glad they've started to bring back some of those colorways, and I'm really excited that it seems like it has some additional life. By pairing that 1.0 upper with that 4D technology, you get a brand new shoe experience while still having that Ultra Boost 1.0 look. Now this got me thinking, Adidas can really keep the Ultra Boost 1.0 going, keep it fresh if they keep updating that midsole technology. I think you're about to see how that 1.0 upper, it really looks good with any midsole, and that is an important takeaway here. So let's look at these mock-ups. Up first is a no-brainer, adding that 350 V2 midsole. Just recently I saw some photos of next year's Ultra Boost, and I thought that was a really cool addition to the line. They're going with a much chunkier midsole. I tried it out with the 1.0 upper. That is also a really nice pairing. It definitely brings some fresh life to this model. Now, of course, Adidas has a bunch of classic models. I experimented with a couple of those looks with that 1.0 upper. The first one, the Samba, the brown midsole goes really nicely with that purple heel cup. And then another classic, the Superstar. That's an interesting combination too. My last mock-up is a little bit more adventurous, but I am excited about this possibility. It is a mashup between that 1.0 and the Yeezy Slide. I think this one really shows the versatility of that upper. So the big takeaway here, the Ultra Boost 1.0, it is not dead at all. There is so much life left in it. So many things Adidas can do. I hope everyone enjoyed those mock-ups. Adidas, if you want to use them, feel free to. I would love to see them come to life. Also, thanks everyone for watching.